Do you want to stop others from taking screenshots or downloading your photos or videos from your device? If your Facebook profile is open to anyone, and your photos, posts, and info can be seen by strangers, most users don't know there's an official way to lock it for full privacy. It only takes a minute to protect your profile. Let's lock it right now. First, open the Facebook app. Then tap on the 3 lines icon in the top right corner. Next, tap on the settings icon here. Then scroll down a little bit. Tap Profile Locking, and then tap the Lock Your Profile button below. And your profile is locked. But note, if you're using professional mode, then you won't get this feature. This feature is only available in personal mode. And that's it, you successfully locked your Facebook profile. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.